Okay, I cannot believe the difference. I have taken literally 2 seconds to put on the Youthphoria lashes and look how perfect it is. I was honestly nervous because I cannot put on fake lashes for the life of me. So I'll show you how easy this is live. Gonna unscrew it, get the liner. Liner is on. Grab the lash, and they have so many you can choose from. I've gone for a more full look because I love that full-bodied lash look. You just peel it off. This is the first lash with 6 micro magnets. So one of the best. I'm literally just gonna draw up that like it's hot. I can't see, there we go. Make sure it's in the right place, just move it down. What the hell? I can't even believe this. I spend like hours getting my lashes done, and this literally took 2 seconds. This is perfect for the busy bees. Ready for date night. Youthphoria are amazing. Literally amazing. Easy to apply, quick.